Our infant room is 6 weeks to about 8 or 9 months, just depending on the milestones that each child is meeting. We like to have the children start crawling in that room, and once they begin crawling, we would go ahead and move them up to the next room, which is Toddler 1. Our Toddler 1 classroom starts from the age around 9 months old and goes until about 14 months old. That room will consist of crawlers and then those children that are starting to walk. They also introduce more table food and provide options for table manners as far as giving them plates to use as they sit around the table, and then give them some utensils to start getting them ready for actual table usage at the next stage. Toddler 2 is around 1.5 to about 2 years old. That room, they're going to be full-on walkers. They're going to start learning some shapes and colors and maybe some letters at that point, and learning more animal sounds, learning to do some hand motions during some songs, and just being able to get some sort of a routine in place for their schedules. Toddler 3 is ages 2 to 2.5. This room is getting them ready for preschool. They will start doing circle time more at a secure rate, and being able to sit around circles and read stories. And then they are also going to be able to be more efficient in learning their letters and their numbers, and then even shapes and colors. Early preschool is going to be 2.5 to about 3. This room focuses heavily on potty training. Not only potty training, but they're also going to get them ready for if a child goes to preschool at a different school the following years. So they're going to be more efficient in their letters, learning to recognize their name, and then getting more of that scheduled down path for their daily life. Preschool is going to be ages 3 to 4. This room, they're going to be almost 100% potty trained. If they're not potty trained, that's something that they're going to work on a little bit more, but the focus is knowing that they know how to potty train at that point and be able to tell the teachers that they do need to go. This room is also going to, again, emphasize on learning structures and learning their name, writing their name, and being able to trace different things to get them ready for pre-K. Pre-K is going to be ages 4 to 5. This room is going to be the last room of our center, and they are going to get ready for kindergarten. This room is going to have a lot of activities and scheduled routines. They're also going to be able to be efficiently writing their name, being able to recognize different words and different shapes and letters and stuff like that as well. Our main focus is getting them ready for that kindergarten and young 5 stage. It's a bittersweet age, but it's something that they work all these years to get to, and they have a fun graduation at the end of the year as well to send them off to their next stage of life. Our school age program is based for kindergartners all the way up to the age of 12. During the school year, it is a before and after school care. So they come here in the morning, they have breakfast, they do some activities, and then they get sent off to school by bus. And then in the afternoon, they come back here and they do snack time and some outside time and other activities. During the summer, they are here all day. They can go, Monday through Friday, or they can kind of split that up throughout the summer, but they do lots of activities in the classroom here. They go on field trips, and they do other fun activities, theme weeks, and just have a good time. A lot of the kids are old enough that they are interacting with kids from their school here, and our main focus is just to give them, something to do for fun here in the summer, and that's why we incorporate all of the field trips at that point as well.